Welcome, guys. Today we're working on a Samsung two-door freezer at the bottom fridge. Alright, what's going on here? We're getting on the panel here 888 cold reading, nothing else. That's all we get, and the flashing in at the end. So we're gonna have a look and see what's wrong with it. I had it plugged in. The freezer part works. The top doesn't work. So we're gonna take the back panel off here. We're gonna look at the inverter board, see if that's okay. You see the red light behind there, so we got it plugged in. We're gonna run it for a bit and play around with some buttons here and see if we can get her going. So I got the generator hooked up back there so I can actually hear the fridge. So it's not so close to me, so I'll get the generator going and we'll get back to this fridge here, guys. Okay, guys, we got it going here now. The 8 is all gone. What I did is I held the energy saver and the light for 10 seconds. Just hold it with 2 fingers until the menu comes up. All right. Now I'm going to hit fridge. We want fridge power up. There we go. We got her working. Freezer. All right. Ice maker. Yeah, she's working. You can hear her. Okay. So basically what we did is reset the panel. Okay, she's not coming on. There's no air. I don't feel anything. Alright, no, hasn't come on. I don't feel anything there. Let's try her again. Hold for 3 seconds. It's indicating a plug, so I wonder what that means. Okay, let's try to reset it again. I'm gonna set you guys here. Hopefully you guys can see better. See what kind of view you guys get here. I don't know. Are you guys looking at the fridge or what? Okay, you see the panel. Okay, I want to try to do it again. Hold the 2 buttons for 10 seconds. Okay, the panel's lit up. You guys can see it flashing. Oh. Freezer. Okay, there's the indicating lights. It must be fridge and freezer. And nothing is kicked in yet. Alright? Nothing. Which is weird. So let's try the panel again. See if I can see what's going on here. Hold it for 10 seconds. Nothing. 3 seconds. For dessert. Let's see here. No, it's not kicked in. Alright, we have to look at the inverter inside. It's off. Oh, there we go. Hang on. So there's showing, and it goes off. 3. So the freezer 26. The fridge is only 3. Oh, there goes 30. I think it's trying to come up. Trying to start. I hear a beeping sound. Nope. I don't know why it's showing crushed ice. Let's take the energy off. Minus 19 in the freezer. So that's a flashing light on the fridge. Oh, hang on. Nothing. Alright, freezer works. Go down the freezer. Already getting cold. You can feel the freezer. The fridge ain't coming on. Now these Samsung fridges have this issue all the time. People are having problems with Samsung fridges. Everybody recommends not to buy Samsung fridges. They're garbage. What happens is, to this fridge, what happened is, whoever owned it had a power surge, and that's what it does. Once you get a power surge in the house, it fries the inverter board in the back. And we'll have a look at that now. We'll see what's going on. Right here is where your inverter board is. You take this panel off. I advise you guys to unplug it if you're doing this. I don't want to unplug it because I want to see if the flashing light is flashing or if it's a solid red color. If it's flashing, it's not good news. Very sharp, be careful. Okay, see that red light there? We got a solid red light. That is good. Solid red light, not flashing, that's a good sign. Okay, this is where your power comes in and your power goes out. Alright. We'll do some testing back here. What we're going to do, we're going to test the heating element in the fridge and in the freezer. Heating elements are right here. Where is it? Right here. These two wires, those two wires. Okay, there's something off that piece there. I don't know if that's melted something. I don't know if you see that white stuff there. So yeah, that's your inverter board here with your power board. And there's your other board here, the big board. Now these boards here, they're about 200 bucks and up, depends on what fridge you have, what type. Okay, we'll have a look at that and see what's going on now. Okay guys, everything looks normal back here, nothing's burnt. Red light staying on, she's not blinking, the red light ain't blinking. You can hear the compressor is functioning. The fan is working over there. The fan's also working. You couldn't even feel the compressor is warm. Alright, all the way back here is all warm. Here there's some schematics here. We can look at these two. That's what I'm getting, 888, right? All here, all warm down here, all warm here. So every fire is warm, you know it's getting cold. So the ice maker is getting cold in the box. Oh, it's getting warm here too. Okay, hang on. So, I'm going to take the inside apart here and see what's going on. They're not flashing, but my video camera makes them flash. I don't know why. In this freezer box, it's ice cold. Where it makes the ice, there's the cover there. She's just not blowing out here. Okay. She's getting colder here, but not blowing. So I don't know if it's the fan not running. She's getting cold. So it's not a big problem with it. Just gotta figure out what's going on here. Down here is cold. Nice and cold here. Freezer is cold. Yeah, she's cold. Oh, freezer's ice nice cold. Freezer works great. Just not blowing here. So we're gonna take the back panel off and see what's wrong with it. Probably the fan ain't working. The panel's not reading properly either, right? We tried setting it already. Do it again. Well, she don't want to do it. Nope. Try again. Oh, there we go. The numbers are not moving, the camera's making them move. Oh, we just shut off. So something is definitely wrong with the Samsung fridge. Fridge don't want to come on. So I could replace the inverter board, or is that gonna work for me? I don't know. I'm gonna have to get this fixed sooner or later because it's a nice fridge. It's a $2,900 fridge. So, okay, guys, I just read down here. It says, okay, self-diagnostic mode functions to check a temperature sensor condition within 1 second. When refrigerator is turned on instantly. 1 second, so actually as soon as you plug it in, detected by a self-diagnostic function. Okay, LED, an LED display light will blink for 5 seconds. So that tells it's got a bad sensor. When you first plug it in, this light blinks. And she's blinking right now. You can see it? Alright. So I'm saying the inverter board here is shot. That's what I'm saying, because I've looked it up. And that's what's going on here. We'll have another look around here and see what's going on in the fridge. So the inverter board is $200 to replace. And that's what I'm getting here when you look at the back diagnostic sheet. That's what it's showing. Alright. Fridge is cold, but the fan is not coming on. Isn't that weird? The back panel here is cold. The freezer is definitely cold. I don't know if you can see any steam coming out because it is a hot day. But she's cold. The freezer is fine. Freezer is fine. Even in the ice box is ice cold. So yeah. So we're gonna have to do some more reading up on it, more research. I'm saying it is the inverter is shot. They had a power surge and that's what's happened. That's what's happened. Looks all squirted to you, but I don't know why it's looking like that. Okay, there we go. That's what I'm reading now. Let's go check the light, see what it's doing. Yeah, she's blinking. Oh, yeah. Light is blinking. Alright, I'm pretty sure it's that. We'll do some more research on it. Yeah, so I read up on YouTube there. Everybody complains about these Samsung fridges, don't get them. As soon as you have a power failure, they're shot. The inverter board goes on them. So, okay, on this one here, I told you guys we're changing the door seal. So I took the door off. It's got it hanging there for a sec. loosen the screw here for the other wire that holds the seal. Pop the wire out like this, simple as that. And then you just pop the seal, the whole rubber off the thing. Hang on a sec here. Get that seal off. 1 second. Always take references. So yeah, so once you get the seal off, be careful of the door here. Where am I hooked on here now? One-handed. Doing this one-handed. Okay, you can't have much room for the door. See the door latch, you want to ruin that. So basically after you get the seal off, this is your inside piece. And you just pop her out with your hands like this. Just how you do it. Pull it all out like that. You can see how it comes out very easy, simple. Very careful because of the sharp edges. Pull it out like that. Come right out. And that's it, guys. There's a door seal. So we just wait until we get a new door seal for it. Right now, what we'll do is we'll put the door back on because it is wired up to the door latch. You don't want to ruin that, so we don't let it sit like that. We'll hook it up for now until we get a door seal, and then we'll replace it. This is the other ring that holds the door seal in the back. That's the back one, and this one here hanging on the wall is the front one. Okay. And that's it. That's it. Door's back on. She's had it, this one here. Pretty rough shape. She's corroded. She's hard as a rock. Even the inside. Look at that. Big hole there. That's probably their leak right there. You guys can see that. Big split there. So that's what happens when you have a leak in your washer. Replace the seal. So yeah, then we get a seal. Put her all back together and she's good to go. Okay, it's getting warm. I got someone coming for this washer here. 8 o'clock, so I gotta wait here till 8. So I figured I'd come here early and do some repairs while I'm waiting. Why not, right? So it's nice out, right? Nobody here to bug me. Yeah, so they're picking this one up at 8. So I'll just hang around here and tidy up a little bit and do some more odds and ends repairs, guys. I'll show you guys quick. If you go to buy these washers and you want to find out the bearings are good, these washers are older washers, front load washers. They don't have a spider arm. That's where they're good. The ones that are new ones nowadays, they come with a spider arm in the back, which holds the drum, made out of a cheap aluminum. Water hits it, corrosion, and they crack right in half, and the drum is all gone. These don't have a spider arm, and you just give it a spin like this. You tell if it's a good. If the bearings are good, everything's good. All you hear is just running nice and smooth. You don't hear no banging, no bearings, no nothing. That's a good drum. That's what we want to look for. Always just give it a spin. Put my screws in here. And that's it. You know it's good. There's no spider arm holding this drum. That's what you want to look for. These are the best washers. It's an older washer, but it's a good washer. Worth repairing, guys. Yeah, if you got a stainless steel fridge and you got a mark like that on it, all you do is get yourself some gloss black paint, dab some Kleenex on it, like that. And just dab it. Try not to get it on the floor. Get thrown out of here. Give it a few dabs here, there. There you go. Good as new. Give it like a nice texture look like the fridge has, right? Just do the dab look. Little dab there, dab there. There you go. Good as new. A little bit over here. A little bit of dab there. Okay. I don't see anything else. That's good enough. Give the paint back. Assembly glass, black paint. And that's it. With my hands. like right here. Okay. Way better now. Let that dry.